Hi friends, welcome to this ANR Education channel. In this video, we want to provide free education for students who want to prepare for competitive exam, who want to learn English grammar and also English language. In this channel, we provide freely, and also we provide mathematics degree, intermediate, school, mathematics, along with school English subject also we provide. No need to worry about mathematics, intermediate mathematics and important problems for examination, degree mathematics problems for examination, important problems for examination. So completely we tell each and every problem. So what type of problems to be given in the examination. So such type of problems to be expressed. So that's also, those problems are very important for examination. Along with we provide BTech CSE all subjects we teach completely in this channel, and also we teach reasoning, aptitude, English grammar for students who want to prepare for competitive exam, and also completely and clearly we try to provide subject which is very important for you, your life also. So especially friends, you have to focus in this channel, because we are going to teach English language in two levels. One is the level 1. In level 1 we teach basic grammar of learning English language, and also in level 2 we teach completely spoken language, how to learn, how not to learn English language. Because so nowadays students are struggling for learning English language because there is no environment to learn English language to them. That's why we decided to provide freely spoken language to learn, especially students who want to attend interview also. So at a time they will face some types of problems, that is actually they may be rejected because of lack of English language. That's why completely we provide tips how to learn English language, and also how to develop your vocabulary in this language, in English language. Especially in this channel completely we provide language. See friends, so if you want to get updation of my videos every day, please subscribe my channel. If you like this video, just click on so button, there is a click like symbol is there. And also don't forget friends to subscribe to my channel, because so if you want to updation of my videos, it's very important. Don't miss to watch, please watch every day, because actually from my videos you will learn something. From that, no need to pay anything, no need to pay any amount also here, because so we are providing freely. That is the main reason. So we decided to teach English language and also free education in this channel. So for students who are unable to come to cities and who are unable to join to coaching institutions, so for them we are teaching so this education for them. So I think my channel, it will be very helpful to them. I hope friends it's going to help you. Thank you friends. Bye bye.